Bored of the same Windows 11 wallpaper? In the next 60 seconds, I will show you how to change your desktop background like a pro, including custom photos, HD wallpapers, and auto changing backgrounds. Hi everyone, welcome back to Hello Helper. If you are using Windows 11 and you want your PC to look fresh and personalized, this quick tutorial is for you. So step 1. Open personalization setting. Here you will open personalization settings by two way. First way, you will right click on it and you will get personalize option. Second one, you can click on the search bar and simply going settings, then click on it, and here you will get this personalization option. By these two ways to you can open personalization in Windows 11. So friend, here you can see the background option is over here. Here you can change solid color, background and slide views. Okay, you simply click on it and here we get lots of option over here. Okay, so here you will see these are default Windows 11 backgrounds. If you want to change it, then what you will do, simply here you get personalization four ways: solid color, slideshow and Windows Spotlight. I will show you each and everything how it will work, but here we want to change the location of that photo. Then what we will do, choose a photo. So this photo you can change. For example, if you have a directory where lots of photo will be there, you can simply select that directory and that photo will come here. Okay, so for example, I want to change this photo first and let's see how it will look. So friend, you can see my background is changed now, and again I am going to share with you. For example, I want to change this one and this is default background over here. Okay, second thing I'm going to share with you, when you right click on it and click on this personalization, so you will directly redirect on personalization thing. Again click on this background and here we want to change the picture to solid color. Okay, so friend, here you can see that lots of colors are available. If you want to make your custom colors, then you can click on view colors, and by this dragging options to you can select your own color. Okay, this is the dark side and this is the light side. Okay, so you can easily change it. So we want to change with the yellow color like that. Okay, so here we select dark yellow and then we move here for the light color. Okay, so here you will get the option how it will look. Then simply click on done button and let's see the solid color is changed now. Okay, so first thing, you can directly change your custom images and after that you can change your custom colors. Okay, now I'm going to share with you second thing. So here you can change slideshow view. Okay, so when you click over here, then your slideshow, so this will change by the slideshow way. Here we want to change the folder. So this already created folder over here. So when I choose this folder, then automatically my images will showing as a wallpaper over here. Okay, so this images is already I have downloaded into this particular folder and this image is automatically changed. Okay, let's see how this will work. Okay, right click on it and when I click here the next desktop background, so that particular folder image will change. Okay, I'm going to share with you some examples so you will get it. So this is my background this image is currently background is showing. I want to change the next one. Then right click over here, then click next one. So you can see this image is changed as a wallpaper. Okay. Again, I right click on it, and you can see that this image is changed. So friend, this is the tutorial which I want to share with you guys how you can change best background on your Windows 11. So friend, if you learn something new by this tutorial, then click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because we uploading this type of tutorials every day, so you will learn something new. So friend, like it, share it, comment what things you like into this video, so that will motivate me to make more videos like this. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.